Hey everyone, this video is about the Python program to check whether a number is odd or even using the float division operator. In one of our videos, we already seen how to check a number is odd or even using the modulus operator. So in this, I'm going to get the input from the user int of input. Enter a number. Okay, now I'm going to generate a if condition. The condition is n floor divided by 2 and the resulting value is multiplied by 2 and the resulting value is going to check with the original value of n. Okay. If this condition is true, then the answer is it is an even number. If it is false, it is going to be an odd number, so I am going to generate an else condition and it is going to print it is odd. Okay, let's run. I'm going to give 12. It is even and the output is also even. And now I'm going to check the else part, so that I'm going to give an odd number 55. Yeah, it is odd. So let's check how it works. Okay, I'm going to use the ordinary dividing operator with an odd number. For example, the same 55 divided by 2, your answer will be in pointing values, that is 27.5. We don't get it as a whole number, so if instead of a normal operator, if I am going to give a floor division operator, you will get a rounded off value 27. So this value is getting multiplied by 2, right? Yes. If you see this, you will get the answer as 54, and 54 is not same as 55, so it's an odd number. If I give here 54 or any other number like 24, 2, 4, 8, 4, 6, you will get the same number. So if the number that comes after this process is same as the number that we have given, then it is an even number, or else it is an odd number.